Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a Google Sheet into a website. This is different from sharing a Google Sheet link. When you share a link, people can view it, comment on it, or even edit it. But when you embed a Google Sheet, you can display it directly on a website without giving access to your actual file. Let's walk through it. Step 1. Open your Google Sheet. Once you have your Google Sheet open, go to the top left corner, click File, then go to Share. But instead of clicking Share with others, we're going to choose Publish to Web. Step 2. Choose Embed, not Link. A pop-up window will appear. You'll see two tabs, Link, Embed. Do not choose Link. Click Embed. You can choose to embed the entire document or a specific sheet. In this example, we'll embed the entire document. Now click Publish. You'll see a confirmation. Are you sure you want to publish this selection? Click OK. Step 3. Copy the iframe code. Google will now generate an iframe code. This is the code you can paste into any website. Copy that entire iframe code. Step 4. Embed in a website. Example, Google Sites. I've created a simple Google site. On the right-hand side, click Embed. Then choose Embed Code. Paste the exact iframe code you copied from Google Sheets. Click Insert. And now you'll see your Google Sheet embedded directly inside your website. Once your site is published, your embedded Google Sheet will be live on the web. Why this is useful. Embedding is perfect for public dashboards, reports, data displays, sharing information without giving file access. It allows people to see your data without editing it. If you want more Google Sheets tips like this, subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. We're here to help you get the most out of Google Sheets. I'll see you in the next one.